Hello, students. Before we begin, I would like to share something. Students, maths is just like a performing art. The more you practice, the better you become. It's just like any game, any sport, like be it a football. The more you play football, the better you get at it. No, same as with singing. The more you practice singing, the better you get in singing. That's same goes for maths as well. The more you practice, the better you get at it. So, I would always suggest practice more and you will definitely get better. Okay, so let's take this question. In the given figure, the radii of two concentric circles are 13 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Okay, so radii is given and AB is the diameter of the bigger circle. So let's begin with AB. I can draw AB anywhere, but I will prefer to draw it in this direction because it gets easier to visualize in this way. So this is AB. AB is the diameter of the bigger circle and BD is a tangent to the smaller circle touching it at D. From here we'll draw a tangent to the smaller circle touching it at D. Find the length AD. This length we have to find. AD. Okay, so first thing first, as I said, whenever you hear the word tangent, you draw the radius. Oh, sorry. You draw the radius and mark the angle 90 degree. This is the radius to the point of contact and this angle is 90 degree. Okay, so we are done with tangent. And again, we get a what we get? We get a right angle triangle. So next thing is apply Pythagoras theorem. 90 degree tangent. So what's the flow? Tangent. First you hear the word tangent. Then you mark the angle 90 degree. Draw the radius. Then apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. This is the common flow. It applies in most of the question. You hear the word tangent, you mark angle 90 degree, draw the radius and apply Pythagoras theorem. So let's do it. So this radius is given to us as 13 centimeter. This is given as OD is given as 8 centimeter, radius of the smaller circle. So we can find BD. BD is equal to, by applying Pythagoras theorem, BD square is equal to 13 square. This is the hypotenuse. So 13 square minus 8 square. Obviously, you can always solve this and simplify this as under root 105 centimeter. So now we are done with Pythagoras theorem. Now we know BD. Okay. But here we have to find AD. So how we can do that? So there's a general thing. Whenever we are given a triangle, then two things can be done. First thing is applying trigonometric functions, or second thing is applying Pythagoras theorem or finding some angle which is 90 degree. So in this case we are given the sides we are given, but we don't know any angle, okay, in this triangle. So cannot go with trigonometric functions, so this will not work. Then another thing is we can always find some angle as 90 degree. So let's begin the search for this thing. And that's why we are going to do some construction. We are going to extend this and I'm going to join this. And let's name this point as E. And we all know that angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Yeah, this is 90 degree. This is the diameter and this angle is 90 degree. So we got an angle which is 90 degree, and again we got angle which is 90 degree. We'll apply Pythagoras theorem. So in this case we have two triangles. One is the bigger triangle, this bigger triangle in which we can apply Pythagoras theorem, and then we have this smaller triangle in which we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem in both these triangles. So let's take up the bigger triangle, the blue triangle. We know AB is given 26 centimeter. Okay, so and AB is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to AE square. We don't know AE. AE square plus BE square. BE square. What is BE? BE is twice of BD. We have already found BD. So twice of BD is BE. So we will write twice of root over 105 whole square. So from here we can always find AE. AE square is equal to 26 square minus 2 root over 105 square. So we can simplify this and we can get AE square as 256, or AE is equal to under root of 256, which is 16 centimeter. Okay, now we know AE. Then let's take the smaller triangle, the red triangle. Okay, in this smaller triangle again this angle is 90 degree, and AD, this is AD. AD is the hypotenuse which we need to find. AD square is equal to DE square. DE we know, DE square plus AE square. AE square is 16 centimeter. So obviously we can find AD square. So AD square is DE and BD are equal. So DE square is under root of 105 whole square plus AE square, which we have already derived, 16 square. Okay, so we can always simplify this, and AD is equal to 19 centimeter. So this is the final answer, and we can see this was our approach. We know tangent was given to us. We marked 90 degree and we applied Pythagoras theorem. And as we need to find this side AD, so again we made a construction where we got a 90 degree, and then again we applied the Pythagoras theorem. This was the flow of the question.